Ever find yourself yawning in the middle of a meeting or struggling to keep your eyes open during your favorite TV show? If you're constantly feeling sleepy, there might be more to it than just a lack of rest. In this video, we're uncovering 13 worrying reasons why you're always tired and what you can do about it. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more eye-opening health tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects countless people: chronic sleepiness. It's not just about needing more sleep. It could be a sign of deeper issues. We'll explore 13 surprising reasons behind your constant fatigue and what steps you can take to tackle them. But before we jump in, here's a question. Have you ever considered that the very things you're doing to feel better might actually be making things worse? We'll get to that later, so keep watching. Constantly feeling sleepy can turn even the simplest tasks into major challenges. It affects your productivity, mood, and overall quality of life. Imagine struggling to stay awake during meetings, feeling irritable with loved ones, or finding it hard to enjoy your favorite activities. It's not just about needing more sleep. It could be a sign of something much more concerning. Here are the 13 signs you need to watch for. 1. Sleep apnea. One of the top culprits for chronic sleepiness is sleep apnea. This condition disrupts your breathing during sleep, leading to frequent awakenings and poor sleep quality. You might snore loudly or wake up gasping for air, leaving you feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep. 2. Chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS. CFS is a severe, persistent form of fatigue that doesn't improve with rest. It's not just about being tired. It's a complex disorder that affects your ability to perform daily activities, leaving you drained and exhausted. 3. Iron deficiency. Anemia. Iron is crucial for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood. A deficiency can lead to anemia, causing symptoms like extreme fatigue and weakness. You might feel like you're dragging through your day, even after getting a good night's rest. 4. Depression. Depression often comes with physical symptoms, including fatigue and excessive sleepiness. If you're feeling persistently sad or hopeless, it might be impacting your energy levels and making you feel constantly tired. 5. Hypothyroidism. An underactive thyroid can slow down your metabolism, resulting in fatigue, weight gain, and sleepiness. If you're feeling unusually lethargic and gaining weight without a clear reason, this could be the issue. 6. Diabetes. Uncontrolled diabetes can lead to fluctuating blood sugar levels, causing fatigue. When your body can't properly use glucose, you might feel drained and lethargic, even after a full night's sleep. 7. Sleep disorders. Conditions like insomnia or restless leg syndrome can interrupt your sleep, making you feel tired during the day. Poor sleep quality means your body isn't getting the rest it needs to function optimally. 8. Medications. Some medications, such as antihistamines and antidepressants, can cause drowsiness as a side effect. If you're taking medication and notice increased sleepiness, consult your doctor about potential alternatives. 9. Poor sleep. Hygiene. Irregular sleep patterns, excessive screen time before bed, and a noisy environment can all disrupt your sleep quality. Simple changes, like establishing a bedtime routine and limiting screen exposure, can significantly improve your sleep. 10. Dehydration. Even mild dehydration can make you feel tired and lethargic. Drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for maintaining your energy levels and overall health. 11. Nutritional deficiencies. Deficiencies in essential nutrients like vitamin D or B12 can impact your energy levels. A balanced diet rich in these nutrients can help combat fatigue and keep you feeling alert. 12. Overworking. Chronic stress and overworking can lead to burnout, causing persistent fatigue. Finding ways to manage stress and balance work with relaxation is crucial for maintaining your energy levels. 13. Underlying health conditions. Conditions such as chronic infections or autoimmune diseases can cause ongoing tiredness as your body expends extra energy fighting these issues. If you're experiencing unexplained fatigue, it's important to seek medical advice. Here's a secret. Sometimes, the solutions you think might help, like drinking more caffeine or getting more sleep, could actually be making your fatigue worse. For instance, relying on caffeine might give you a temporary boost, but it can disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to a cycle of constant tiredness. We often assume that being tired is just part of life, or that it's something we have to live with. But what if I told you that addressing the root cause of your fatigue could significantly improve your energy levels and quality of life? Don't settle for just coping. Take action and uncover the real reason behind your constant sleepiness. Imagine feeling energized and alert every day versus struggling to get through your daily tasks. The difference between these two states can be stark. By addressing the potential causes of your fatigue, you can shift from feeling constantly drained to feeling vibrant and engaged. Looking ahead, addressing these underlying issues can lead to a brighter, more energetic future. By understanding the root causes of your sleepiness and taking appropriate action, you can reclaim your vitality and enjoy life to its fullest. Here's an oddly specific tip. Try incorporating a daily 10-minute walk in natural sunlight into your routine. Research shows that exposure to natural light can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve your overall energy levels. In conclusion, constant sleepiness can be a sign of various underlying issues, from sleep disorders to nutritional deficiencies. By identifying and addressing these causes, you can improve your energy levels and overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. Have you experienced persistent sleepiness? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're struggling with fatigue, consider consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.